gone. I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry. Cause you're scared I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wiping tears, daddy's here, no more to mess. We gon' pull together through, we gon' do it, lady, all goes crazy in it, yeah. We're all we got in this world. When it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls, looking puzzled in the days. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder I try to do it, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up, the daddy he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me. Things that got so bad between us, I don't see us ever being together ever again like we used to be when we was teenagers. Then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be. That's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. No more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up, this will all just be a dream. Now hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, little lady. I told you daddy's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree. This is somewhat of them from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas I sat up the home not crying. Daddy felt like a bum, see daddy had a job to keep the food on the table for your mom. At the time, every house we lived in either kept getting broken into a bribe, or shot up on a block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you to go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke it and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a one-bedroom apartment. Dad moved back on the other side of Emmalin Nova. And that's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre, and for you and mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like it. And you and lady were too young to understand that papa wasn't Rolling Stone. Mama developed a habit, happened all too fast for either.